Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We love aiolis and dressings and everything like that in our house, and I like to make them from scratch so there's no extra preservatives in them and they're delicious. I wanted a hand blender that would do it quickly and not make a lot of mess. This KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender has been perfect for all of the needs that I have for making my dressings and aiolis. The 2 speeds come in really handy because for something like aiolis or dressings, you just need the first speed, but for anything a bit thicker like mashed potatoes, the second speed is what I use, and it made them so creamy and delicious, and it took no time at all. I love it. It comes with this awesome cup for blending in that has the measurements on it for milliliters and cups. It actually has a lid, but I unfortunately lost it already. If you like making your own blended dips or aiolis, this is the blender for you. It does it so quickly and you don't have to waste extra dishes. And that's just my point of view.